In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow large file uploads in Google Forms. This is a useful feature if you're looking to collect substantial documents or files from your respondents, such as project submissions or high-resolution images. First, let's get started by opening Google Forms. Head over to the Google Forms website and open an existing form or create a new one if you haven't already. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, as this is essential for accessing and editing forms. Next, you want to give your form a suitable title. This helps keep things organized and provides context to your respondents. For this example, let's use the title, Requirements. Simply click on the title area and type in your chosen name. Once your form is titled, it's time to move on to the question portion. Click on the question box and you can change this to whatever question suits your needs. For this demonstration, let's use Upload to prompt the respondents to submit their files. After deciding on your question, click the Multiple Choice button to access additional options. The default setting here is typically multiple choice, but we're aiming for file upload, so navigate to that option next. Now, click on File Upload. If this is the first time you're setting up a file upload, you might encounter a prompt. This is Google letting you know that respondents will be required to sign into a Google account to submit files. Simply click Continue to proceed. With file uploads enabled, it's time to set a file size limit. Look for the Maximum File Size section and click the drop-down icon. Here, you'll be able to determine the limit for each file uploaded through the form. To accommodate larger files, we are going to set this to 10 GB in our example. Be deliberate about selecting a size that matches your needs, as larger size limits might require ample drive space. You may see a message indicating that your form is no longer accepting responses. Don't worry, we're only partway through the setup. Click the prompt to change the settings. This will redirect you to the Settings section. Here, you need to adjust the total size limit for all uploaded files. In keeping with our example, change it to 10 GB as well. This ensures the total collection of files doesn't exceed your chosen capacity. Once you've set everything up, it's a good idea to preview your form to ensure it appears as expected to respondents. Click the eye icon to see how it looks. Now that your setup is complete, the upload file limit should be successfully enabled. It's always a good practice to test it yourself. Try uploading a file to verify everything works smoothly and according to plan. And there you have it. You've learned how to allow large file uploads in Google Forms, making it easier to gather substantial submissions from your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Google Forms.